नहीं नहीं हो गया जी. In last video we have studied this line, clear stream of reason has lost its way. यहाँ तक पढ़ चुके थे हम लोग कि लोग रीजन में विश्वास करें और रूढ़िवाद में विश्वास न करें. In dreary desert there is a desert of sand of dead habits. लोग डेड हैबिट्स में विश्वास ना करें. डेड हैबिट मीन्स ऑर्थोडॉक्स, पुरानी आदतें, पुराने विश्वास, ओल्ड बिलीफ, ओल्ड सिस्टम विच इज़ नॉट गुड, विच इज़ करप्टेड एंड लॉट्स ऑफ विसेस एंड demerits are there. And where mind is led forward by thee, and people will believe in God and they will always move forward, march forward in the guidance of God, and their outlook will be broad. Ever broadening means their outlook will be broad, their action will be broad, they will do great action for the welfare of humanity, and their outlook will be broad for welfare of humanity. And such kind of heaven of freedom should be established in my country. The poet prays to God that my country will be free and such kind of freedom will be established in my country. And my countrymen will awake and they will try to gain freedom. And that time India was slave country of English, Britishers, they were ruling here, and that's why India was slave country. That's why the poet is praying to God that my country will be free from the slavery, chain of slavery, and such kind of freedom, such kind of heaven, such kind of paradise should be established in my country. My father means, oh God, awake my countrymen and let them to gain forward, to gain freedom, and they will be free from the slavery. So in this way he wants to establish such kind of paradise in our country that people will live with pride, they will not fear, education will be free, my country will not be broken into pieces on the basis of caste, creed, religion and language, etc., etc. And they will speak truth, they will always try to gain perfection in all field of life, they will believe in innovation and science and logic, they will never believe in orthodox, and their mind will be free from everything, they will always move forward in guidance of God, their outlook will be broad, their action will be great, and such kind of freedom, heaven, paradise should be established in my country. This is prayer of Rabindranath Tagore for country. He was great patriot, that's why he wanted to be my country free from slavery, and he had done a long struggle for freedom of our country. That's all for today.